In today's video, I am going to teach you how to log into Freshsales. Logging into your account is usually quick, but it helps to follow each step in order so you do not miss anything and you get to your dashboard without delays. First, go to the Freshsales login page. This is the official page where you enter your sign-in information. If you are already on the internet, open a new tab in your browser and type Freshsales login into the address bar, or use your organization's saved link to reach the login screen. When the login page loads, you should see fields where you can enter your email address and password. Take a moment to confirm you are on the correct page before you begin entering your details. Next, enter your email address. On the login page, find the email field and click inside it. Then type the email address that you use for Freshsales. Make sure the characters are correct and that there are no extra spaces before or after your email. If your account uses a work email, use that one. This step matters because the system uses your email to find the right account and to verify your access. After you enter your email address, you will be ready to enter your password. Locate the password field on the screen and click inside it. Then type your password carefully. Passwords are case-sensitive, so pay attention to uppercase and lowercase letters if your password uses them. For security, the characters usually appear as dots or asterisks while you type. That is normal, and it helps protect your information. Now, once you have entered both your email address and password, you are at the point where you can sign in. On the page, you may see a button to log in or sign in. Click that option after both fields are filled out. If your credentials are correct, Freshsales will verify your details and move you forward to your account. If you want fast login, connect your Google account. This option is usually shown on the login page as a way to sign in using Google instead of typing your email and password every time. If you see a Google sign-in button, click it and follow the on-screen prompts. This usually involves confirming which Google account you want to use and approving the connection. Once you successfully connect, you can log in more quickly in the future because the sign-in process is streamlined. After you log in, you are ready to navigate your dashboard. The dashboard is where you manage your work inside Freshsales. You may see sections for leads, contacts, deals, tasks, reports, and other tools depending on your role and account setup. Take a brief moment to look around and notice the main navigation areas. If there are menus on the side or at the top, you can use them to move between features. This is where everything becomes organized so you can start working right away. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.